Today we're talking about the Navy Federal Credit Union Secret Card, what it is and how you can get it. So stick around to the end of this video, find out all the great information we have. Let's get into this. Navy Federal Credit Union is one of the largest credit unions in the country, if not the largest, and is known for some high-value credit cards. Now, I joined Navy Federal back in September of 2020 and opened a secured card with them later that month. About 6 months later, it graduated to an unsecured card, and I'll link a video to it, how I did it, at the end of this one. Now, when it graduated from an in-rewards card to a cash rewards card, I received this letter congratulating me and letting me know about my new card coming in the mail. Pause the video if you do want to continue reading this letter. Now, at this point, I want to quickly review each of the cards that Navy Federal Credit Union offers on their website. Now, at the top of the list, there's the Cash Rewards Card. It offers 1.5% cash back as of April 2021. It has a $200 sign-up bonus with $2,000 worth of spend in the first 3 months. With that, you have the Navy Federal Credit Union American Express card, also having a sign-up bonus of 25,000 points. That's valued at about $250 with $3,000 worth of spend in the first 3 months. The next two on the list are the Flagship, which does include Amazon Prime for a year, and the Go Rewards card. Now, the Flagship does have an annual fee of $49, but that's more than offset by the Amazon Prime. Go Rewards card does offer a phenomenal 1.99 annual percentage rate for purchases in the first 6 months. Now, as always, I do not recommend carrying a balance, so that may not be a benefit to you if you follow my advice and don't carry a balance on your credit card. Rounding out the page, we have the last two known cards that Navy Federal Credit Union offers. That's the Platinum card, which has a low intro rate on balance transfers, and my first card, which was the In-Rewards Secured card. A couple of weeks after my card had graduated and I'd received my first letter, I received a second letter and was a little bit confused about the need to send me a third card after I just received the Cash Rewards card. Now, the letter was all about the Navy Federal Credit Union Secret Card. Now, this was not listed on their website, and many of you may already have this card and not even know about it. It's the Cash Rewards Signature Card. A little different is the signature on the bottom corner of the card. Now, the benefits of this card are astounding and almost as good as the Flagship card, but without that annual fee. Included with my new signature card was a booklet that shows the benefits of this card. Now, the benefits include travel. Receive complimentary discounts and upgrades at top hotels, resorts, cruise lines. Discounts, awesome. Entertainment, experience preferred events, access and museum memberships, and special savings on other entertainments. Fine wine and food. Indulge your passion for everything gourmet and special dining. Sports, get up close and personal with once-in-a-lifetime sporting events. Visa Signature Concierge. Folks, this is a phenomenal benefit that Visa offers its signature clients. And Navy Federal has granted you the signature card. You have this benefit. Again, if it says signature right down here on the bottom of this card, you have this concierge service. This concierge service saves time and makes your life easier with complimentary Visa Signature Concierge service. Just call anytime, 24 hours a day. The concierge service will help you find tickets to top sporting events, entertainment events, book travel, and make dinner reservations. Even find the perfect gift. Now, to use the Visa Signature Concierge service, simply call this number and I'm going to make a video of it. For calls outside the U.S., call a different number. Now, it also offers shopping benefits, emergency card replacement, year-end summary statement, warranty manager service, purchase security, lost stolen card reporting, lost luggage reimbursement. Guys, if you travel, this is a phenomenal benefit, because if you've ever been out of town and your luggage was not with you, yeah, it gets expensive quick. Roadside dispatch, travel and emergency assistance services, auto rental, collision damage waiver. Now, as you can see, this card offers a lot of benefits for 0 annual fee card and is right up there with my Chase Sapphire Preferred card without the $95 annual fee. Now, here's how to get it. With a lot of card providers, it takes some work to get a Visa signature card. Signature right up underneath the Visa logo. This card starts at $5,000, just the same as my Chase Sapphire Preferred. But Navy Federal Credit Union is very generous card provider, and getting a $5,000 card is not all that hard with them. Now, you do need to be a member, and they do cater to the military and family of military members. But if you can join, it's well worth it to develop a relationship with them by getting a card, holding it for 6 months, using them as your daily bank, and asking for a larger card. Not required, but it works for me. So guys, now you know all about the Navy Federal Credit Union Secret Card. It is an extremely good card if you have a $5,000 credit card with Navy Federal. You probably already have the little secret. You probably already have the little Visa signature logo down at the bottom. If you do, you have a phenomenal card. Alright guys, that concludes this video today. If you got any value out of it at all, make sure to hit the like button down below. If you did not get any value, punch that like button 3 times for me, please. If you do have a Navy Federal Credit Union signature card, regardless of which one it is, put it down in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Have a wonderful day. At this point, I'm out.